How to make a beautiful garden with life. This is our tame bird, a beautiful dove. Its name is Glows. And because of Glows, our channel name is GardenGlows. Glows is not just a bird for us. Glows is family. The owner of Glows is Eva. And today I want to share something very special with you. Today, I will tell you how you can also tame a bird just like Glows. Many people think birds cannot be tamed easily. They believe birds will always fly away. But that is not true. With patience, love, and care, birds can trust you deeply. Look at Glows. You can see Glows sitting peacefully on my hand. Glows can fly freely, but still chooses to stay near me. That is the power of trust. So how did we do it? When a bird is young, it learns quickly. It understands who cares for it and who feeds it. Every day, gently and slowly, we offered food from our palm. At first, the bird may feel scared. That is normal. Do not force the bird. Do not chase it. Just stay calm. Hold the food in your hand and wait. Let the bird come to you. When the bird eats from your hand, it starts to feel safe. It learns that your hand is not dangerous. It learns that your hand brings food, warmth, and comfort. We fed it corn, mustard, broken rice, wheat, and a special bird food. I will give link for shopping a special bird food. We fed Glows regularly, every single day. Same time, same place. Consistency is very important. Birds remember routines. They remember kindness. Slowly, Glows began to sit on our hand, even without food. That moment was magical. It meant trust was growing. Another important thing is gentle talking. We always spoke softly to Glows. No loud noises, no sudden movements. Birds are sensitive. They feel fear quickly, but they also feel love quickly. We never hit, scared, or punished Glows. Instead, we showed patience. Even now, Glows can fly. Glows is not locked. Glows is free. But see this, Glows stays close to me. Because Glows feels safe. Because Glows feels loved. That is the true meaning of taming a bird. Not controlling them, but earning their trust. Love is the strongest bond. Always remember to give clean water. Always give healthy bird food. Keep their space clean and comfortable. Spend time with them. Sit near them. Let them see you every day. If you love them, they will feel it. Glows is living proof that birds understand care and affection. They are not just animals. They have emotions. They have memory. They have hearts. So, if you want to tame a bird, remember these things. Start young. Feed from your hand. Be patient. Be gentle. And most importantly, love them. Thank you for watching Garden Glows. This is Glows, our beautiful dove. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay kind, stay gentle, and keep spreading love just like Glows.